Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We are going to talk about the first presentation that we're going to present. Our focus about neuroengineering and for BBI2324, and my matric number is my name is Abdurrahman Salih Ahmed, and my matric number is 199632. And my partner here.
My name is Salman Ahmed Salman. My matric number is 195587.
About that, we are chemical engineering students. We want to give a new information to the people that they don't know and they don't have a knowledge about neuroengineering. And we have here the authentication slides that has the references that we are used. An insight to neuroengineering. We're going to talk about the neuroengineering and what is neuroengineering and what's the effects that we will have in the future. What is neuroengineering? Neuroengineering actually is one of the biomedical engineering parts that has differentiate from biomedical engineering, and also neuroengineering is about how we understand the nerve system in the human brain by replace or repair a nerve in the brain that, for example, they are aiming to conduct the human behavior by taking a nerve. It's a complex system in the brain, and to take a nerve to conduct the human body, to make our behavior as good as possible, and mainly to neuroengineering is aiming to the people that they want to have a mental health. They are aiming to have a mental health care by the perfection way. By neuroengineering, they can increase the human brain, the ability of the storage of the brain, and also to playing a role in on how people how their feelings on something. For example, we will have a less depression actually by doing a neuroengineering. But if the surgeons and the research that we will having developed in some certain way, also neuroengineering is a new field, growth rapidly. Actually, neuroengineering, the first research was in the first journal called Neuroengineering in 2003. In 2004, actually, we have the first neuroengineering conference by a doctor called David Parker. He's one of the main doctors that having a research in neuroengineering and trying to develop this technology. And now we having last conference was in 2017 in Shanghai. It was the 8th conference, and next year we will have the 9th conference in Abu Dhabi. Imagine what the next 30 years will bring. Imagine now the science thinks what we will have in 30 years. One of the main technology that neuroengineering aims to have during this 30 years is how we can put a memory to the brain and remove a memory. If someone wants a memory, he can get it. Someone wants a memory, he can get it. And if the person wants to remove a memory, it's also be possible during this 30 years as the science and the doctor said in their research. Also, it will be possible actually to maintain the human body, to maintain the environment, actually to maintain the planet, also is related to the neuroengineering system. Neuroengineering system is one of the complex systems that we all know, and we all know in all the species actually. If we done it successfully in the human body, also we can do it. The scientists want to try it in the animals, actually, like tigers. Some scientists want to reduce the aggression on the tigers. They saying they can do that and make it like a cats, puppies.
So now I'm going to talk about morals and ethics. Is it morally good or not? I debate about patients. For example, a lot of people force their patients to do this surgery because they want to improve their state and their job. And we have a lot of advantage and disadvantage for this one. For example, for disadvantage we have side effects and surgery dangerous, because we don't know it will be successful or not. So 50-50. And we have a lot of advantage. For example, we can increase people's life, and we can decrease ills and disease in their life. And now I'm going to talk about people's opinion on new engineering. So let's start with the major objections. Some people believe that the humans by the millions falling ill and dying prematurely are all perfectly natural, while living longer is already creating social problem today. Okay, what about the overpopulated Earth after science remove all the disease? Is it? If we remove all of this, we can increase people's life, and we can decrease ill and disease. So, if anyone have any questions, he can ask us. So that's all for us. Thanks for listening.